In a world dominated by logic and reason, it's easy to overlook the immense impact of emotions on our decision-making processes. While we like to think of ourselves as rational beings, the truth is that our feelings play a significant role in shaping the choices we make. Understanding this intricate relationship between emotions and decisions is the key to unlocking the power of emotional intelligence and making better, more fulfilling choices in life. In this video, we will delve into the fascinating world of emotionally smart decisions, providing concrete examples, practical advice, and embracing vivid language to explore the profound ways our emotions influence the course of our lives. Chapter 1. The Science Behind Emotional Influence. Before we delve into how emotions shape our decisions, let's explore the science behind this phenomenon. Neuroscientists have discovered that emotions arise from the limbic system, a complex network within our brains that regulates our feelings and responses. This intricate web of neural connections is tightly intertwined with the prefrontal cortex, the region responsible for rational thinking and decision-making. The interaction between these two brain regions can lead to either harmonious or turbulent decision-making processes, depending on the emotional state we find ourselves in. Imagine a job interview where the candidate is qualified and competent. However, if they enter the interview room feeling anxious and insecure, their limbic system may overpower their prefrontal cortex, leading to self-doubt and impaired performance. Chapter 2. Emotions as Decision Catalysts. Contrary to the traditional view that emotions cloud judgment, emotions can actually serve as powerful catalysts for decision-making. They provide us with vital information about our inner desires, values, and needs, often guiding us toward the most authentic choices. A person in a long-term relationship might experience a growing sense of discontent. This feeling could prompt them to reflect on their emotions and realize that they desire a more fulfilling partnership, leading them to have an open and honest conversation with their partner or seek a change in their relationship status. Chapter 3. The Danger of Emotional Hijacking. While emotions can be valuable decision-making tools, they can also lead to emotional hijacking, a state where intense emotions overwhelm rational thinking. In these moments, impulsive and regrettable decisions are made, often driven by fear, anger, or intense joy. Imagine a heated argument with a colleague at work. In the heat of the moment, without considering the consequences, you impulsively submit a formal complaint against them, potentially damaging your professional relationship irreparably. When you find yourself on the verge of an emotional hijacking, take a step back and practice deep breathing, meditation, or any calming activity that allows you to regain control over your emotions before making any decisions. Chapter 4. Cultivating Emotional Intelligence. To harness the power of emotions and make emotionally smart decisions, it is crucial to cultivate emotional intelligence. This involves being aware of our emotions, understanding their origins, and developing empathy toward others' emotions. In a leadership role, emotionally intelligent individuals are adept at recognizing when team members are experiencing burnout or stress. Instead of pushing them harder, they show empathy and offer support, leading to increased trust and loyalty within the team. Practice active listening, engage in self-reflection, and regularly check in with your emotions. Seek feedback from others to gain a deeper understanding of how your emotions may influence your decisions and interactions. In conclusion, emotions are not the enemy of sound decision-making but rather a powerful ally that can guide us toward more authentic, fulfilling choices. By embracing emotional intelligence, we can harness the transformative potential of our feelings and create a more harmonious connection between our emotions and rational thoughts. Let us endeavor to make emotionally smart decisions, understanding that the path to a more enriching life lies in the delicate balance between our hearts and minds. Remember, emotional intelligence is not about suppressing emotions but rather about learning to dance with them gracefully as we navigate life's beautiful complexities. Thank you for joining us on this captivating journey into the realm of emotionally smart decisions. We hope this video has shed light on the profound impact our feelings have on the choices we make and inspired you to embrace emotional intelligence in your daily life. As we continue to explore fascinating topics like this, we encourage you to become a part of our ever-growing community. By subscribing to our channel, you'll gain access to more insightful content, practical advice, and engaging discussions that can empower you to make positive changes in your life. Hit that subscribe button now, and don't forget to click the notification bell, so you never miss an opportunity to expand your understanding of emotional intelligence and its incredible potential. Together, Let's embark on a journey of self-discovery and personal growth, armed with the wisdom of emotional intelligence to create a brighter, more fulfilling future. Thank you again for being here, and we look forward to welcoming you as a valued member of our community. Until next time, remember to lead with your heart and mind, making emotionally smart decisions that shape a life of purpose and joy. Subscribe now, and let's embark on this transformative adventure together.